Unrealistic as it seems a month ago, Orioles, if things jump correctly this year to win a shot to win AL East. This starts with defeating Rays when you have opportunity, and they did job on Tuesday night, although not most convincing performance. We saw Grayson Rodriguez working with flawed things to bring together a solid trip against the best crime in baseball. Zach Eflin, who was enormous to start season, was able to attract some traffic against the bases. All of series came out only 4 times. Eflin per single, centered more than a shot that entered the game. Yennier Cano continues to be surprised. The way of distributing him at the moment is perfect. He's not closer. Apparently Rays do the open thing as in blind Beeks mound too.